Toyota Camry. And we're doing cabin filter. Look at this. No tools required. I love it. See those little guys right there? You gotta squeeze one down, squeeze one up. There you go. And you have up again. Just pop it out. Yes. Brand new. At the time. Put a new one in. Is this a record? No. Do I want it to be? No. And now we're going to put it all back because it's super easy. Line that side up. Push it in. Snap it in. I'm trying to do it with one hand. It's a little harder than usual. But I think I have it upside down. That's probably the problem. Yes, I had it upside down. There we go. You have to sit there and watch me struggle? Sure. There you go. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe, line this up, push this in. Thanks for watching.